Hey guys, my name is Kayla Cake and welcome to my, I always say that so fast, like, my name is Kayla Cake. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle, a side part closure wig, which is sometimes very, very hard, especially for me because usually when people do side part closure wigs, like, you need to have like a little bit of edges out. But me, my hair, if you are subscribed, if you're not, you should just go ahead and like subscribe. But anyways, so if you're subscribed, you know that my real hair is not even close to black, like at all. My real hair is like this brownish, blondish looking. I don't know, I'll link a video down below of me like straightening my hair so you guys can see my hair in its natural color, so you know that it's just not this color. So it's kind of hard to leave edges out when my edges are low-key blonde and the hair is black, and it's just not gonna look right. So I have kind of figured out a way how to make my closure wig kind of look like a frontal in a way, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. It looks pretty good. So if you want to know how I did this, keep on watching. Also, this hair, the most important part, this hair is from DYHAIR777. So check that video out. I will have a review up on this hair before this video, so I hope you guys like it. I will link that down below too. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into how I did this side part goodness and how it's so flat and like popping. And yeah, I'm just loving it. This hair is just absolutely gorgeous. It's so soft and it's so sleek. Oh, yes, like and you can see how my wig ain't just fall off too in the next clips coming up. All right, let's go. Hey y'all, so it's me and my wig cap back at it again. So right now I'm just showing y'all my wig on my wig hat. All I did off camera was part it, like do the exact parting that I wanted, and then flatten it with a curling wand, which is super easy, super literally self-explanatory. All I did was flatten the pieces I parted the closure and just flatten each section until I got my exact part, basically. And then all I did to my actual hair is slick it down with some Got To Be glued. Super easy, once again, super self-explanatory. And I threw a wig cap on the back so my braids wouldn't be, you know, sticking out the wig and stuff. So right now I'm just placing the wig on my head just to see exactly where I want my part to be placed at before I put any adhesive on. I just want to make sure that it's like at the exact place that I want it before I glue it down. So now I'm just scooting the wig back and I'm going to spray my Got To Be spray. Shake it up first, of course, but I'm going to spray my Got To Be spray like right where the closure stops and ends. Well, in between that whole area. And yeah, I'm just going to let it dry for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then I'm going to just pull my wig up and stick it right where I sprayed the spray and then let it dry. I am also going to make like a little baby hair just to make it a little bit more realistic. If you do want to use your own hair, you can. I just can't do that clearly because my hair is like this blondish brown color. But yeah, you can use your own hair if you want to, but this is really for like people who can't use their own hair because it's not the same color or whatever. So yeah, and also if you do find that some of your edges are sticking out, you can just color it in with like an eyeshadow or an eyeliner or something. That also works too if you want. Just make sure to seal it with some Got To Be spray so that it doesn't run if you sweat or if you rub it, or you know, just so it stays and it's not running down the side of your face, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just pinned the hair out of my way and placed the closure exactly where I want it. And then I'm also just going to tie the hair down for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can do whatever, child. You can do your makeup. I already did my makeup, so I kind of just sat there and was on my phone. But yeah, for 15 to 20 minutes, just to let it dry and, you know, settle into the Got To Be spray, and the lace can kind of melt down. And you should be straight after you take it off. You can straighten the hair, you know, do a little bit of tweaking, and you should be all right. So I'm going to let you guys just watch after this. Everything else is pretty like self-explanatory by watching. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm gonna shut up now. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Get it up, get it up, get it. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. You guys enjoyed this video. All I did was use a couple of my favorite Got To Be glued products. These are the bomb. But yeah, I love Got To Be glued products because it's just comes off right with water. If you're worried about like sweating and stuff, they say it's sweat proof, but it's not sweat proof. They lied. So what you can do is just do the same thing I did, but with bow hold, and just don't touch your hairline. And you'll be straight, and you can sweat, you can swim with your man, you could do all of that, girl. So just use bow hold if you want this like a more long term, but this is water soluble, so it's, as soon as water hits it, it's gonna be back here, sis. Okay, it's gonna fall off. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed a couple of like techniques that I kind of not really taught myself, but I did like look it up on YouTube how people were doing it, and then I kind of just tweaked it to my own liking, because most people were leaving their edges out, and like I said, my edges are not black like they used to be. So my hair was black once upon a time. I miss those days, but then again, I done got better at, you know, finessing things, so now I don't have to dye my hair black just for it to match with my weave. Yeah, make sure you check out DYHAIR777. Amazing hair, and the video, well, the review video will be linked down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so that you know when I post, because some of y'all be asking for videos that's already up. I'm not gonna say no names. I still love you, boo, but turn on those post notifications so that you know when I post. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Love for all the support. Hey, turn up. Bye guys.